So do you have a special day in November that you just love to hunt? One of my days is November 20th. The rut is winding down, but all it takes is one hot doe to stir things back up. This hot doe drags this big 8-point right to my lap. And once I got binoculars on him, I immediately recognized him as the biggest, maturest buck on this property.
Good night. He's gonna get out right there. Look at me shaking. That's an awesome hunt. I mean, that's what you want. Pure rut, snorting, grunting, snort wheezing. He put on a show, and there was literally 2 or 3 bucks around him. And he was fending off that doe, or fending off the bucks for that doe. I'm all worked up. I just love an awesome hunt. That was awesome. And did you get him snort wheezing right here? Good job, bro. I believe the rage lit him up. I saw blood coming out as soon as it hit him. I don't know if you could see me, but I drew one time. Did you see me drawing one time? And he charged that little buck. And I was like, wow, I could be done. But it came back. And I almost drew again. And right there, it was now or never. I couldn't even wait for yes, that you had him. Were you on him? I couldn't even wait to hear it. I had to do it. It was either now or, excuse me, he was done. Maybe not, I don't know, but I'm all worked up. The one I shot was without a doubt the most mature buck on this property. But he wasn't the biggest antler buck. I had a 11-point that I was calling Hitch. But he's young, but a gorgeous deer. Probably 40s, maybe hitting 150. I just got trail camera pictures of him yesterday. Broke off his entire right side, right at the brow tine. So he's off the list, but he should be a giant next year. This buck right here is just an 8-point, probably 130s, but big body, big aggressive, old deer. That is by far the oldest deer on the property. And that's what it's all about. I love it. big bucks on the ground. Maryland, the sleeper state. I'm waking it up because there's big bucks in this state, and I hunt hard, and it's all about bow hunting. I love it. Big head on the ground. You snort all you want. This hunt's over. We'll get down on the ground and pick up the blood and do work. That was good footage right there. Bow hunting, I love it. I live it, love it, breathe it. Giddy up, big head down. All right, we're on the ground. We shed some clothing, and now we're gonna pick up the trail. As you can see, go and shine that light away real quick. Check out the Luminoc. Luminoc is glowing. Luminocs are awesome. Rage does the work. Luminoc lets you watch it. That was awesome. Luminoc and the Rage zip right through that deer. So let's check out the arrow. As you can see, Luminoc bright and the arrow is covered in blood. So he is fried chicken. So I'm gonna pick up the blood, which I can already see blood right here. All right, here we are. Just recovered him. This is exactly where he was laying. Real nice, big, wide, 8-point. Definitely the most dominant old buck on the property. Luminoc still on, shining bright. That was awesome, which, you know, really lets you see the arrow zip through him. Just realized he had a broken G3 here.
Check this out. 6 days before I killed him, he showed up on my camera on November 14th at 7:28 in the morning. He stuck around for a little bit and then left the area. At 1:08 p.m., he showed back up on camera, and as you can see, I'll zoom in, his left side G3 is broken off at the end. He's got a bloody left eye, and he's got a cut on his neck, which is bleeding. He clearly got in a fight during that 3-hour time period, and who knows, it may have been with the 11-point I call Hitch, who showed up on the 17th with a broken right side.
I can't remember if that was in my truck camera pictures of him or not. Really, really good brow time on this side. Really weak on this side. I don't care. Doesn't matter. Not worried about score. Worried about killing mature deer, and this is a mature deer. This side kicks out to this side. It's got a nice spread. Nice, big, mature buck here in Maryland. That was a show. The snort wheezing, the grunting, but he was fending off all the other bucks for that one hot doe. And he charged this little buck and pushed him off. And with all the experience, I didn't panic. You just got to keep your composure, and that's what I did. Keep my composure, and it'll work. Did work. He went down quick. Rage hypodermic zipped through him like it was nothing. Hot knife through butter. Luminoc still on, but he's been rubbing big time. Got bark all on his bases. Good deer right there. Probably 130s. Big, heavy body. I'm happy. November 20th. It's about killing the biggest, maturest deer on your property. And today we did it. Good work right there.